you know Nigeria has lost over 1.33 million hectares of tree cover since 2001? This alarming deforestation rate equates to a 13% decrease in forest area and 724 million tons of carbon dioxide emission, fueling climate change, biodiversity loss, and economic hardship for rural communities. With over 60% of Nigerians dependent on agriculture, the ripple effects are devastating as climate variability threatens food security and livelihood. Let me introduce you to TreeTrack, an innovative solution developed by Team Climate Action from Research for Impact Initiative. This solution is poised to combat deforestation while empowering communities in the process. TreeTrack leverages cutting-edge technology and sustainable practice to plant economically valuable drought-resistant trees that grow fast and thrive in local climate. Using satellite imagery and ultrasonic sensors, TreeTrack monitors the tree growth and health in real time, ensuring success of reforestation efforts. What sets TreeTrack apart? 1. Economic value. We prioritize tree species that offer quick financial returns, fostering community buy-in. 2. Precision monitoring. Advanced satellite and sensor technologies provide actionable data for optimized growth. 3. Community-centered approach. By involving and training communities, we create lasting environmental stewardship and sustainable income streams. We extend our deepest gratitude to TED Fund, Saad Zunguri University, and Innovate Hub for instigating the Research for Impact Initiative, which has been instrumental in bringing TreeTrack to life. Your commitment to SDG 13 climate action is setting a benchmark for environmental innovation in Nigeria. But the fight isn't over yet. We need your support to scale TreeTrack's impact, invest in reforestation, empower communities, and help us restore Nigeria's environment. Together, we can combat climate change and secure a sustainable future. Because with TreeTrack, we don't just plant trees, we grow hope.